What's up, s'mores? I'm Shannon Morse. Welcome to my YouTube channel all about travel and technology. And today I have an unboxing. You know what would be really awkward is if this box doesn't actually have what I think it has in it, and then I'll be unboxing like clothing from ModCloth or something like that instead. But hopefully this is the new OnePlus phone. So this is the press kit. I wanted to unbox it here for you because it is rather heavy, so I feel like there's other things in here and I wanted to find out exactly what kind of accessories they sent. OnePlus is always really good about sending like phone cases and sometimes screen covers or earphones or whatever you really need to accessorize with your new phone to the media. So I always have a lot of fun unboxing their boxes. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this for you so we can see it together and see what this new phone looks like. I've been looking forward to this ever since I saw their announcement last week, so I can't wait to check this out. It's red! I promise there's things in here. That's what the front of it looks like. It has the OnePlus logo. The front of it has a nice silk screen that says never settle. Check out how this thing opens. It's magnetic. So it goes like this. Ooh, so pretty. So this is most likely the reviewer's guide. It has all the specs of the phone, etc., so you know what to expect once you're actually getting into the phone. This almost looks like a coloring book in a way because it's got really big, large graphics on it and stuff like that. So yeah, it's the spec book. It just goes over all the information that I will need once I start doing my review of the phone. This is just a little microfiber towel to clean the phone. Very useful as well for reviewing. So there's two sides to this package. My package did get a little bit damaged on the sides of it, but I don't think it's any cause for concern. On one side we have a flip up little magnetic cover, and inside there is a really nice notebook. This notebook also says never settle on the front of it, which totally makes sense given the logo and the design and the branding that they want to stick with. The inside cover says your next story begins here. Aw, I was right. So underneath the notebook, I did get a few different kinds of phone covers. So it looks like this time they sent 3 different phone covers. There's a silicone bumper case in red. There's a carbon protective case, the second one, and the third one is a sandstone protective case at the top. So lots of choices here. I believe all of these are also available via their online marketplace. This is the phone. It comes in an extremely tall box. Usually when I do unboxings, they come in very small boxes. This one is very tall. So this is the OnePlus 7T. It looks like the version they sent me is Glacier Blue. The RAM is 8 gigs and the ROM is 128 gigs. So that's plenty of space on here. Underneath the phone, they also packed in this package, which is the OnePlus Bullets Wireless 2 in olive green. So I will definitely be checking these out and seeing if they are worth it to purchase after the fact. Now I'm going to go ahead and open the phone and give you a few first impressions so you know what to expect with the OnePlus 7T. I feel like I should sing that music from Zelda when Link opens up a treasure chest. Too much? Okay, so OnePlus always sends out a little invitation letter that you can read over from the CEO. There's some stickers in here. There's also a couple of little safety information guides if you want to read over those. I usually skip that information. The phone does come in a very tall box, however the phone itself is not as tall as that. Oh, that's nice. Check this out. So the phone does include a silicone cover. It's just a simple transparent silicone cover. And on the back of that, there's also a SIM card ejector tool, so that's nice and useful. We also get the standard USB-C to USB cable, which is very nice to include. And they also included the high-speed wall unit, so you'll be able to plug this in quite easily. And you'll get those fast speeds out of it like expected. Very pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and take off the sticker that has the IMEI data on it. This is the Glacier Blue OnePlus 7T. It's kind of similar in color to the OnePlus 7 Pro, which came out earlier this year and I reviewed on the channel. Check the links below if you want to see that review. You can definitely see that it has lots of cameras on the front, so I'll be testing those for sure. And it also has a teeny tiny little camera notch right at the front. So there's only one camera on the front, not a dually like I have on my Pixel 3 XL. There is already a protective case on the OnePlus 7T, which is nice. They always do include those. Just from first impressions, we do have all the same buttons, and it looks like the SIM card jack is on the bottom. The sides are very shiny, very similar to the back. However, the back does have more of a matte texture to the glacier blue color. I'm gonna go ahead and power it up just to give you a few first impressions of the screen. Nice bezels. Very, very clean lines. It looks really pretty. I like that the notch at the top is teeny tiny, so it's not very noticeable. Looks good. So without giving you a full review of this phone, it does have a 90 Hertz display, which is going to be extremely, extremely smooth. And this seems to be around a 6.5 inch AMOLED display. So I will definitely be giving you all the technical specs of this once I do my final review. But that's what it's supposed to look like from what I've read online. The lenses on the back are 17, 26, and 51 millimeters. So it sounds like you get a nice wide angle lens, one that's not necessarily a telephoto, but more of like a portrait mode, and one that's kind of in the middle. I also read online that this one does have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 CPU inside of it. You still get warp charge on this just like the previous generations of these phones, and it also features the very quick fingerprint sensor, which is built into the screen. Now I will be doing a full review of this phone once I have some time to actually play with it over the next few days, so keep an eye out on my channel for that. I also intend to do a camera comparison, or a few camera comparisons, definitely this one against my 3XL, which is my current phone. Let me know if you want to see a camera comparison of this against the 3A or the OnePlus 7 Pro, which I had reviewed previously. I'm happy to do those kind of camera reviews as well, and if I can get my hands on a Pixel 4 when those come out, whenever that might be, then I definitely want to do a camera comparison of this against the Pixel 4 too. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing charged up so I can start playing with it. I just wanted to get this unboxing out there so you can see what kind of accessories you can get with it. Thank you so much to OnePlus for sending along the OnePlus 7T for a review. I'm very excited to get hands-on with this device, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss my future videos. Again, my name is Shannon Morse. Thank you so much to my s'mores, and don't forget to check out my Patreon if you feel like supporting me that way as well. I'll see you on the next video. Bye!